If you've ever run into a low disk space warning or worried about finding that one important file when you're offline, today's tutorial is for you. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to manage offline files in OneDrive on both Windows and Mac using the desktop app. By the end, you'll know how to save space, work seamlessly across devices, and always have the files you need right at your fingertips, even without an internet connection. Let's dive straight in. First up, let's talk about enabling files on demand. This is a game changer for anyone working with lots of documents, photos, or projects stored in the cloud. Start by opening your OneDrive settings. On Windows, you'll find this by clicking the little cloud icon in your system tray. On a Mac, it's usually at the top right menu bar. Head to the Sync and Backup section, then go into Advanced Settings. Here, where the magic happens, you'll see the option to choose between free up disk space or download all files. If you select free up disk space, your computer will only download a file when you actually need it, keeping your hard drive uncluttered and fast. Think of it like getting library books as you need them, rather than stacking every book on your shelves at home. On the other hand, download all files means everything is kept locally, which can come in handy if you want absolutely everything available offline. Now let's get specific about making files available offline. Open your OneDrive folder in File Explorer on Windows or Finder if you're on a Mac. Browse to any file or folder you need constant access to, right-click it, and choose Always Keep on this device. What you're doing here is telling OneDrive, hey, this file is important, keep a copy on my computer at all times. Maybe it's a presentation you need for a meeting, or that spreadsheet you rely on when traveling. This step ensures you won't be caught unprepared if you're somewhere with spotty internet or none at all. But what if you realize your device is getting full? No worries, freeing up space is simple. Just right-click the file or folder again and select Free Up Space. This action removes the local copy from your device but leaves everything safe in the cloud. The next time you need the file, OneDrive will download it on demand. It's almost like storing winter coats in a closet upstairs. You still have them when you need them, but they're not cluttering up your main living space. It's also important to check the status of each file so you know where things stand. OneDrive uses handy little icons right in File Explorer or Finder. If you see a green checkmark, that file is always available. No matter what, you can open it even if you're offline. A blue cloud means the file is online only, taking up zero disk space until you open it. And a plain icon, that's a locally available file that downloads automatically if you open it, but isn't held always offline. It's worth taking a moment to glance at these symbols, especially if you're preparing to go somewhere without Wi-Fi. A quick word about syncing. Even if you work on files while offline, OneDrive is smart enough to sync your changes back up to the cloud as soon as you reconnect to the internet. So you never have to worry about losing your work or ending up with multiple versions floating around. And there you have it. Managing offline files in OneDrive isn't just about saving space, but staying productive, prepared, and organized wherever life takes you. If this video helped clarify things for you, give it a like, and if you have questions or want to share your own tips, drop a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more practical tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.